Are you a pizza lover looking for the best spots in Miami? Well, your search ends here. Today we will take you on a culinary journey, exploring the top 5 pizza joints that Miami has to offer. Starting off at number 5, we have Ironside Kitchen Pizza and Coffee Co. Nestled in Miami's Upper East Side, this rustic Italian pizzeria is a hidden gem. What makes Ironside unique? Its authenticity. Every pizza is made with fresh, organic ingredients and baked in a traditional wood-fired oven imported straight from Naples. The result? A delightful crunch and a burst of flavors that transport you straight to the heart of Italy. Moving on to number 4, Mr. O1 Extraordinary Pizza. The name says it all. What sets this pizzeria apart is its innovative approach to the classic pizza. With their signature star-shaped pizzas filled with ricotta cheese, they are redefining the pizza game. And let's not forget their extraordinary pizza, with a secret blend of ingredients that you will have to taste to believe. Now, at number 3, we present Harry's Pizzeria. This casual hip joint is known for its chef-curated creative pizzas. What makes Harry's stand out? It's their commitment to using locally sourced ingredients and their ever-changing menu. Each visit promises a new, delicious experience. Coming in at number 2, Andiamo Brick Oven Pizza. Housed in a converted post-war Art Deco building, Andiamo is not just about great pizza, but also about a unique atmosphere. Here you'll find pizza with a twist, combining classic Italian flavors with Miami's local ingredients. The result? A pizza experience unlike any other. And finally, at number 1, we have Lucali. This Brooklyn-born pizzeria has taken Miami by storm with its simplistic approach to pizza. At Lucali, they believe in doing one thing and doing it well. Here you can expect thin-crust pizzas with a perfectly balanced sauce-to-cheese ratio, all in a chic, candle-lit setting. So there you have it. The top 5 pizza spots in Miami, each with its unique take on this universally loved dish. Whether you're a traditionalist or a culinary adventurer, Miami's pizza scene has something to offer you. A world of flavors awaits, so why wait? Go ahead, explore these incredible pizza joints, and give your taste buds a treat they won't forget.